Changing your password on X 2025 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Login. Access your account by entering your current username and password on the X 2025 login page. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select security options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or password. Click on this option to proceed to the password change feature. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria, such as length and complexity. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click the Save or Update button to finalize the password change. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Make sure to remember your new password and consider using a password manager for added security.